Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable automations to create task tickets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Airtable automations for creating task tickets, start by logging in to your Airtable account. Select the base where you want to set up the automation. Navigate to the Automations tab located at the top of your screen. Click the Create an Automation button to begin setting up a new automation. Choose a trigger for your automation by clicking the Choose a Trigger option. Select when a record is created or when a record enters a view, depending on your needs. Next, specify which table the trigger will monitor. You may need to configure conditions for the trigger. Set any necessary filters that will define when the trigger should activate. After setting up the trigger, click on the Add Action button to define the next step. Choose the option called Create Record to generate a new task ticket. Select the table where your task tickets are stored. Then, configure the fields for the new task ticket. Map the fields from the trigger record to the corresponding fields in the ticket table. You can use dynamic values by clicking the Insert dropdown next to each field. After mapping all necessary fields, click on Test Action to ensure everything works correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Review the entire automation setup for accuracy. Finally, toggle the automation on to activate it. Your Airtable automation is now configured to create task tickets automatically. You can return to the Automations tab at any time to edit or monitor your automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.